This week, we rebuild our engine. Watch us take apart the whole top end in the backyard, kiwi style. Another marathon project also comes to a close as the curtains finally go up.
Okay, so we've had a few issues with the engine, and it all started when I flushed the radiator. We started getting bubbles in the reservoir. I thought it was an airlock. We did a check on it and we found some leaks in the top hose and a small one in the bottom hose. We replaced those, got the radiator redone, and still problems. So it was a head gasket issue. So we've had to go ahead and pull the head off and sort it out.
Blown head gasket, 2 words no bus owner ever wants to hear. For the past few weeks, our diesel engine has been in pieces. Luckily, we can call in some help from friends and family to put it all back together again.
It's a big moment.
Again, so
Nervous.
we've got 2.
Yeah, I got this. Wait. Roll it onto the turbo because we've got the drag. Chunks.
Carbon deposits all over it. It needs to be like scraped and cleaned.
Okay.
I reckon your best bet would just take it somewhere to get it checked.
Ryan said they usually walk not lengthways but side to side.
Right.
So we could do a few measurements in between the cylinders.
That's good. Yeah, that's right.
It's good side to side.
Nothing there, bro.
It's fine.
Is that from this end? Like something sort of like across here?
It only just started though. It's sitting on the... Take it outside. Yep. You got it? Mm-hmm. Cool.
There's nothing you can do, eh?
Yeah, roses. Smile.
Okay, so here's our old head gasket.
Yeah.
What do we got, boys?
You can see here where the combustion has been coming out. You can see the rust
Yeah.
in here.
Yeah.
The blowout.
Oh,
We think
wow.
it's this water jacket here, eh? And this one.
Yeah, because you can see the water has been pushing past the gasket, eating into it. You can see some of the rubber seal is missing.
Yeah.
And you've only got 3-4 millimeters from the combustion chamber to the water jacket.
Okay.
We think potentially this one has failed also.
Yeah.
But the main thing is this tracking. You can see, you can hear my fingernail catching it. It's been eating into the metal
It's
gasket.
rusted.
And if we flip it over, the same position on the opposite side is showing signs of combustion gases forcing out onto the top side of the gasket as well, in the same places we think it's failed.
Oh, okay.
So we think it's a gasket failure.
Brotherly driveway mechanics.
Yes, you guys rock.
I've wrecked a couple cars out of this driveway.
Thankfully, we have a mate letting us use his kick-ass auto shop to work on our engine too. Looking a lot cleaner. all
Better.
good.
Better.
That number one is fucked. Bit of a munted valve. So we're going to have to get a new one of those before we put this bad boy back together. And the head's going to go off to the shop and get a bit of a skim.
Got it.
Good, looking good. So that's all been machined down nice and flat. Valves are back in, new valve stems. Voila.
And a new valve.
And a new valve, yep, because the other one was munted.
Sweet.
Yep.
This is a big day for us. Our engine is actually going to go back into the bus finally. And yet again, Scott's brother Bart is on deck to help us out. Yeah, in true Kiwi fashion, this is done in Mum's driveway.
Not cheap to do it in Mum's driveway.
This is true.
Look at this guy.
This is our new head gasket. It's got a fresh coating of copper spray on it. This is how you rebuild engines in New Zealand.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where you are, Jenny? Gonna need to go on the back. Get it up here.
Alright, you good there?
Yep.
Madden starts bringing it down, it will get closer.
You just keep it going nice and slow like that.
There we go.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
You're on.
Yeah.
Just gonna go down slow.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, stop there.
Yeah.
I've got all the feeds through, so they're not an issue anymore.
Okay, we can go down my side now, I've lined it all up.
Hold on, I need to line up the head.
Oh, fuck. No.
Easy, fuck.
How's your arm?
Come on, guys. Fucking get there.
What's up?
Because the bolt's got to go through the exhaust.
Oh, yeah,
Right
yeah.
into it.
The exhaust should be able to pull down and.
Hold on. Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Stop.
Oh.
There.
There.
Yeah.
Done. Okay. It's on.
And no one seems to know what the hell they are.
Is there a pattern to this?
Let's do it in a normal pit.
Yeah.
They just go like this.
Go right, right.
need to go in like...
Are you sure those are even the right ones?
They look big, don't they?
Because if they don't, I mean, there's no way we're not going to hit these with a hammer to get them down. Where's the old one?
They're gone.
They were at your workshop.
What you doing, darling?
Looking for all my stuff. There's my manifolds.
Oh yeah.
I see one. Fuck, I've got to be very careful they don't.
Oh.
Yeah, they don't go any further.
What you got?
The seats for the injector seats.
So minor oops in our engine rebuild. We got new seats for the injectors, but we didn't check the size before we threw the old ones away, and it turns out the new ones are slightly too big for whatever reason. They're supposed to be for our engine, but so we're doing a bit of dumpster diving here at the auto shop and try to find the old ones.
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Number 6.
Hold that, please.
Yeah, got it.
Don't know yet.
Alive again, hear that baby roar. she's a loud one, but we're just stoked that she's back up and running again. It's a curtain project for the bus. I'm putting in a thermal lining on the back of the orange fabric to keep temperature, both heat and cold, at bay. Since we have all the windows in our bus, I think that will be important to do. Gotta get on it. I have like 10 of these or 11 of these to make. We really wanted to keep all the windows in our bus, and we love the light and open feel it creates. This, of course, also meant a massive curtain project to cover them all. So after many long evenings in front of the sewing machine, they finally go in. First curtain going up. I don't know if I love it. I wish I could figure out a better way to hang it. massive curtain project done, and it's amazing how much a little bit of fabric converts that bus to your home. How do you think, Suji?
So it's really good to have our bus running again.
Yes.
So thanks for watching.
Yeah, we really appreciate all your support, and if you want to follow along, there's links to all our social media below this video, and support us on Patreon, and see you next time.
Sweet.